Aloha folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike on a beautiful Friday afternoon, and we're here in Kahuku, once home of the Kahuku sugar mill, and we're going to ride out a little bit on Kam Hwy, and our talk is a little bit about Kam Hwy, and then I'm going to take you on a little environmental tour, if you don't mind, just for a few minutes. So here we are back on Kam Hwy. We've talked about Kam Hwy many times, and we talked last week about different aspects of riding a trike and how people or drivers can see us and what they do and how they react to trikers compared to bikers is what I was going after. But as you can see, that car right there went towards the center lane to avoid me. Now I'm on a fairly big shoulder here, but generally cars will move over to the side. They'll hug the middle thing, just like that guy moved over a little bit. So this is kind of what I'm talking about, is there is something different with a trike. We're more visible and people are curious at what we are, so they kind of give us a little room so they can spock us. And sure, we do get some close calls once in a while, but very rarely. Anyway, that's riding on Kam Hwy, and that's riding on a trike, and fortunately I've got nobody right now. Okay, we're going to take you on a little environmental tour today as we head out to the North Shore, but before we get out there, we're going to stop here at the James Campbell National Wildlife Reserve, and that is as what it says it is. I fortunately got a chance to visit out there and took some video and took some stills of what they're doing out there. So sit back and relax. It's about a 4 or 5 minute video and shows you a little bit about the natural habitat that's out here in the North Shore of Oahu. All right, catch up with you later. Aloha. Please note that there is no drone flying over any of the James Campbell National Wildlife Refuge. I took some of this footage flying over Kam Hwy. My wife and I were fortunate to take a tour of the wetlands a few years ago, and I have some photos from our visit I'd like to share. The refuge has over 1,000 acres of protected wetland habitats for Hawaii's 4 endangered water birds, as well as many migratory seabirds, including the albatross. It serves as a strategic landfall for migratory birds coming from as far away as Alaska, New Zealand, and Asia. It also provides mating and nesting shoreline habitats for the endangered Hawaiian monk seal, the green sea turtle, and endangered and native plant species. Right now the refuge is currently closed for tours, but stay tuned, check the website out, and it's well worth the tour if you get a chance. Thought you might enjoy that little tour of the James Campbell Natural Reserve back there. And oh, here comes another. What is this guy? This is thanks for pulling over. Look at that guy. That guy pulled over. That was a Mercedes, by the way. That guy pulled over even though there was another car in the lane, because who's the most value? That's true. All right, so you guys have a great week. I'm gonna head over to Turtle Bay and Campbell Bay and do a little wandering. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Be good, be healthy, be safe, and be happy. You guys have a good one. Aloha. I just wanted to add a side note to this week's video. While the drivers of cars have been very great to acknowledge us and be aware of us, it's our job to be defensive when we're riding on highways. We need to stay on our shoulders, we need to check our mirrors, make sure we have our flags and our lights turned on, and always be observant. So the idea is be safe as much as possible. Alrighty.
Chasing down the highway, easing through the byway, looking